Hey friends, if you encounter a Valorant DX11 Feature Level 10.0 is required to run the engine in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to download DirectX. Simply search for it in the Google search bar or any search bar and go to the DirectX website and simply download and install it. Okay, the English version, and then click on download and install it. I said English version, but you can choose accordingly. And next, let it install the components on your system. So this is one thing, and in 99% cases, this will be the solution. But if since Valorant is a graphic intensive game, but not very graphic intensive, it has minimum graphic requirements anyway. The second one is to manage the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click, update graphics card. Right click, update graphics card. And if you don't have a dedicated graphics card, so for a desktop computer, I will suggest adding it. But if you're using a laptop, then you cannot add it. So this is the case with this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.